Let's tackle dividing fractions. Here are the keywords. We have keep, change, and flip. We have here the given fractions. 3/7 divided by 3 over 5. How are we going to divide these fractions? First, you are going to keep 3/7. Then, you are going to change the division operation into multiplication. Then, after that, you are going to reverse or get the reciprocal of 3/5. It's become 5 over 3. Then, proceed to multiplication process. You can cancel 3 and 3 by dividing it by 3. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then 5 and 7, you cannot get the GCF for that except 1. So 1 times 5 is 5. Then 7 times 1 is 7. The answer now is 5 over 7. We can also solve in this process. We can still get the same answer with the first process. By just multiplying the numerators and multiplying also the denominators. But then, it is a long process than the first process, which is cancellation method. So 15 over 21 can still be reduced into lowest term by dividing it by 3, that is the GCF. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, then 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. The first process and the second process have the same answer. Then, another problem, we have 1/4 divided by 2/3. Remember, we have to keep 1/4, then change the division operation into multiplication. Then, get the reciprocal of 2/3, so it becomes 3 over 2. Then proceed to multiplication. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. As you have observed that our answer is already in its lowest term, meaning to say that will be our final answer. Let us now proceed to the next fractions. Don't forget to memorize, keep, change, and flip. We have 5 whole number divided by 1/3. 5. What are we going to do with this problem? So 5, since all whole numbers have 1 as denominator, so 5 over 1, then change the division operation into multiplication. It becomes multiplication. Then get the reciprocal of 1/3. It becomes 3 over 1. Then proceed to multiplication. 5 times 3, it becomes 15. Then 1 times 1, it becomes 1. 15 over 1, or whole number 15, is the correct answer, is the final answer. For number 4, again, don't forget to keep, change, and flip in dividing fractions. We have here 8 over 9 divided by 4, a whole number. Always remember that the whole number has the denominator of 1. So keep 8 over 9, then change the division operation into multiplication. Then get the reciprocal of 4. It becomes, since it has the denominator of 1, so it becomes 1 over 4 as its reciprocal. Then proceed to multiplication process. You can also cancel 8 and 4. So 8 times 1 is 8, then 9 times 4 is 36. But then you need to get the lowest term of 8 over 36 by dividing it with its GCF, or the greatest common factor of 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, then 36 divided by 4 is 9. That is already in its lowest term, so that will be our final answer. For number 5, we have here the whole number 3 divided by 1 over 6. Then keep 3 over 1, then change the division operation into multiplication, then get the reciprocal of 1 over 6. Then proceed to multiplication. 3 times 6 is equal to 18, then 1 times 1 is equal to 1, or the whole number 18 is the final answer. We have here the activities. You are going to divide the following